VoiceOver. In this quick tutorial, you'll learn how to add people to your Spotify Premium Family Plan on desktop and mobile. On-screen text. How to add people to Spotify Family Plan. VoiceOver. First, on desktop, open a browser and log into your Spotify account. On-screen text label. Step 1. Log in on desktop. VoiceOver. Click your profile in the top right, then select Account to open your account page. On-screen text label. Step 2. Open account. VoiceOver. In Account, scroll to Premium Family and click Manage Plan. On-screen text label. Step 3. Manage Premium Family. VoiceOver. Under your Premium Family, click Invite to Plan or Add to Plan to start sending invites. On-screen text label. Step 4. Send desktop invites. VoiceOver. Enter your family member's email, then send the invite. They'll accept it from their email. On-screen text label. Step 5. Enter email and send. VoiceOver. Now on mobile, open the Spotify app and make sure you're signed into the Premium Family Owner account. On-screen text label. Step 6. Open mobile app. VoiceOver. Tap the gear icon to open settings, then tap Account. On-screen text label. Step 7. Settings account. VoiceOver. From your account or plan page, tap Premium Family and choose Manage Plan. On-screen text label. Step 8. Manage Plan on mobile. VoiceOver. Tap Invite to Plan, then share the invite link or send by email or message. On-screen text label. Step 9. Send mobile invites. VoiceOver. Each person accepts the invite, confirms the address, and joins your family plan. On-screen text label. Step 10. Members accept. VoiceOver. That's it. Manage members anytime from Premium Family and enjoy music together under one plan. On-screen text label. All set. Manage members anytime.